Alright guys, hey, so let's see what we're gonna do today. Alright, so okay, let me set everything up. Okay dudes, there we go. Alright, so today I wanted to talk to you guys about this new shit called Play to Earn. I was reading some articles yesterday about it, and it seemed pretty good. So let's see what we have here about Play to Earn on publish.com. Okay, NFTs, that's not it. No. Okay, let's talk about some Dashcoins. So Dashcoins is this new shit. I think it came out like last year or something. And Dashcoin, so DOGE is a cryptocurrency symbolized by a famous meme, namely the red dog Shiba Inu. So that's like this dog. And some dude made this token because he liked the dog and everything, and now it's called a Dashcoin. Anyway, so let's see some more about this. Okay, so those who always online know about this project because the smiling dog conquered the hearts of millions of users in 2013. However, Dodge is more than just a meme token with ambitious plans for the next few years. Dashcoin price today is 17 cents, almost 17 and a half cents. Okay, so how Dashcoin works. Dodge shares common technical characteristics with Bitcoin, and the network is secure and provides real-time consensus. Unlike BTC and other cryptocurrencies with limited supplies, Dashcoin uses an inflationary approach to its economic mechanism. This means that the coin has an infinite supply. Miners get a reward of 10,000 coins for each block. So basically, if you're mining, you're gonna get like 10,000 coins right away, and 10,000 coins is not a lot, but each block takes like about maybe, I don't know, 30 minutes or some shit. Okay, so basically on 10,000, so you get about $1,700 each block when you're mining this Dashcoin. Okay, so yeah, see, one block takes 10 minutes. So shit. Never mind, my bad. So yeah, you get about $17 per 10 minutes, and that's pretty good. So 0.17 on 10,000. Yeah, $17. Okay. So since Dodge is a party related to TBC, Dashcoin has the same block size, that is 1 megabyte. However, for Bitcoin, the block confirmation takes 10 minutes, while Dodge has 10 times faster speed. The network confirms blocks every minute. So the project solves the Bitcoin blockchain's problem regarding transaction speed. What makes this coin unique is the spirit expressed by the developers. Dashcoin wasn't created to provide a viable alternative to Bitcoin in the market like Litecoin. It was conceived to spread goodwill and fun in the cryptocurrency community. Dodge crypto brief history. But this is going to be about the Dashcoin. We're going to read about it right now. So Dashcoin was launched on December 13th. This token didn't bring anything new to the cryptocurrency world, but was a fork of Litecoin. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so so Dashcoin was launched on December 13, and this token didn't bring anything new to the cryptocurrency world, but was a fork of Litecoin. Since Litecoin is a fork of BTC, it turns out that Dodge didn't get far from the progenitor of all cryptocurrencies. So Reddit, Twitch, and Twitter members immediately accepted the coin and used it to tip creators of useful content in the first month after its release. The coin's price went up to 300, almost up to 300%. However, shortly after the launch, some hacked into the crypto wallets and stole $12,000 worth of the coins. This hit the cryptocurrency hard, and its growth slowed down for a while. However, the developers compensated the losses to all those affected, and the system continued to operate. It was reported that only those wallets that were linked to exchanges were affected. Wallets were stored on the owner's computers weren't. So basically, some hackers stole $12,000 worth of Dogecoins from people that had that invested into this coin, and somebody stole it, and then the devs they returned the money because the Dogecoin was just dying after that, because everyone just got upset, so because it's not safe, and it just could have sunk down, so it's not worth it. But they returned the money, and that's it. The project has attracted a large group of adherents, including Elon Musk. He showed his support by tweeting about it. His post raised the Doge price significantly, and thousands of his followers rushed to buy the asset. Several posts on the social networking site pushed the Elon Musk cryptocurrency Doge price from 7 cents to 68 cents. So okay. So how to mine Dogecoin? The network uses the proof of work algorithm, in which miners compete to verify the transactions in a block. They are rewarded with 10,000 Doge if they are the first to find the correct hash for a transaction in the blockchain. Given the competition in the network, many miners prefer to join a pool rather than mine alone. This makes it possible to count on more stable payouts. A pool pools all the power of its members to increase the chances of successful mining, and rewards members based on the share of invested power. Can Dogecoin reach $1,000? Since Dogecoin price is less than 50 cents, it's worth answering the question: will Dogecoin reach $10? Experts cannot say the exact time when it happens, but wallet investor believes cryptocurrency Dogecoin will get over $1 in April 2025. So it will only get $1 in 2025. However, a coin price forecast team doesn't have such a positive prediction, and answers the question: what will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? It thinks it will be about it'll be 40 cents by that time. So yeah. How much Dogecoin does Elon Musk own? During the B Word conference in July 2021, Elon Musk said that there was Doge in his cryptocurrency portfolio. He didn't reveal the exact sums, but some enthusiasts suppose his number exceeds 2.5 million coins. Should I sell my Dogecoin? Since Doge is going down now, it's time not to sell it, but to buy it, this cryptocurrency, because with an increasing number of holders and a development infrastructure, this token should become a profitable investment. Where can you buy Dogecoin? StealthX is the safest way to buy Doge. Access to over 400 cryptocurrencies, provided general information, and exchange tokens in minutes. No extra fees and lengthy transactions, as everything is fast and transparent. How to buy Dogecoin? Just go to StealthX exchange and follow these easy steps. Choose the pair and the amount for your exchange. For example, Ethereum to Dogecoin. Press Start Exchange button. Provide the recipient address to which the coins will be transferred. Move your cryptocurrency for the exchange. Receive your coins. So let's see this StealthX thing. What is that? Okay, there it is. So So basically what this guy is saying, you just put it like this, for example. Where is this shit? Okay, there's Dodge, right? So this 1.1 Ethereum is 1,600 Dodge coins. Holy smokes. Okay, what about Bitcoin? So, okay, so 1.1 Bitcoin is 21,578 Dodge coins. So you start exchange and what will happen? Okay, you enter the recipient's address. It's his Dodge address, and you press next, and you exchange. And that's the way it works. Okay. So basically, this guy is saying that the Dogecoin is very cheap. It's only 17 cents. When Elon Musk was on the interview in 2021, he said Dogecoin is is an okay crypto value, but and then it rose up to 68 cents, and after that it went back down to 17 cents. So basically, no one is buying that shit, I guess. But this guy is saying that right now it's going down, so and it's better to buy it because maybe it will go up. You never know, right? Alright, so let's see what else we got here. Okay, Solar Energy, that was yesterday. Okay, what's this? Uniswap. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay, Uniswap, UNI, the decentralized exchange and its automated market maker. What is Uniswap? Uniswap was one of the first few decentralized exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain. It doesn't use an order book system to match buy and sell orders, but instead uses provided liquidity to offer instant trading by setting its prices automatically, based on the supply of the tokens. The project has become one of the most successful DeFi applications, and its token is pretty much a blue chip investment into the DeFi market. Cryptocurrencies are all about decentralization, so its fundamental flaw if they entirely depend on the centralized exchanges for trading. Uniswap is based on an idea that the Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin had in 2016. A year later, Hayden Adams started to attempting making his vision true. He received $100,000 from the Ethereum Foundation to build the DEX, and he managed to launch the Uniswap in 2018. The protocol quickly became very popular and gained a lot of liquidity due to a strong demand for decentralized trading. Until Uniswap became a thing, most exchanges handled their trades with an order book that matched buy and sell orders, but they had a problem with the liquid assets because there was no incentive for market makers to provide their liquidity. Uniswap solves this by allowing everyone to become a market maker by adding their tokens into a pool, and it rewards them with the collected trading fees. So the liquidity pools each hold two assets that are offered to traders, and the protocol adjusts the price for them with an automated market maker (AMM) that weighs the total supply of both assets the same. Let's say there is a pool with 10 Ethereum and 10,000 USDC. The total supplies of both tokens have the same value, so the pool will sell 1 Ethereum for 1,000 USDC. Should the supply change to 9 Ethereum and 11,000 USDC, the price of 1 Ethereum will change to 1,222 USDC. Okay, so this is how the prices are set automatically. This requires that people offer their tokens to liquidity pools. That's why the protocol is collecting fees for each trade that is used to reward their providers. Okay, so one problem of an AMM is that there can be a big slippage in price if the liquidity of trading pool is too low. And providing liquidity isn't without risk either, because should one of the tokens in trading pair lose value and the other token gain a lot of value, it will cause an impairment loss. Impairment loss scenario, where the providers would have made more profit by holding their tokens individually. Still, this enables anyone to trade instantly and in a decentralized way, while also letting investors earn a yield with the trading fees. Since Uniswap's success, there has been a big revolution in the entire DeFi market. That is partly because the apps and developers of new projects can utilize a DEX to launch a new token or let their application make trades while staying completely decentralized. A lending protocol, for example, can use a DEX to provide collateral of failed DeFi loan to cover the outstanding debt. So the applications can also have a buyback and burn mechanism, where a part of their fees is being used to buy their governance token back from a DEX to destroy them. A decentralized exchange is a necessary infrastructure for a DeFi ecosystem. Uniswap isn't the only DEX out there, and many newer exchanges offer great features that Uniswap is missing. For example, Dodo uses a newer model of the AMM to reduce price slippage. A balancer allows liquidity pools with more than 2 tokens that can be used as automatically rebalance portfolios. Many DEXs on other blockchains can also have much lower fees. However, Uniswap is still the most popular DEX and has much more liquidity than most of its competitors, and is partnered with many other applications. So, Uniswap runs on Ethereum mainnet and its Polygon and Optimism second layers. So there it is, Uniswap. It's a Uniswap token, so $15 for one. $15.39 for one of these tokens. And basically, what this is saying is that, okay, so the Uni token, Uniswap has its own governance token called Uni. The holders can vote on possible updates to some of the parameters in the protocol and on what assets should be in its default token list. There is a max supply of 1 billion tokens, so 21.5% was kept by the developers and founders. 17.8% was sold to early investors, and 15% was airdropped to early users, and the remaining 45.7% is going to the liquidity providers of the protocol as an additional incentive. So there's 1 billion tokens out there. So most of the supply is going to the users, but a big piece of the cake also went to the team members and investors. The airdrop was sudden and played a big part in making Uniswap so popular, and any address that ever interacted with Uniswap before September 2020 received 400 Uni tokens. Even 12,000 addresses that only sent failed transactions to the protocol. This 400 Uni were worth more than $15,000 at the ATH of the token, and you'll get your 400 Uni tokens, and it's worth $15,000. Okay, that's nice. So the value of the government's token depends on how much the liquidity is in its smart contracts, because you can copy a protocol, but you can't copy liquidity. Since Uniswap is one of the most famous and most used DEXs, its token is relatively safe investment in comparison to most other cryptocurrencies. However, there's a lot of competition, like Dodo, BAL, and many more offer useful features that Uniswap doesn't, and also didn't migrate to different blockchains like SushiSwap does. Uni is supported by every bigger exchange like Binance, for example. Of course, Uniswap itself offers it too. A Ethereum wallet like MetaMask can store the token and interact with Uniswap app. So So here it shows that it's right now. I see it was one time, it was in April 29 of 2021. The maximum price was $42.88, and now as of today it's $15.66. So basically it's like half a year and it went down to $15. That's pretty interesting shit right there. Okay, let's see something else. What else do we have here? Interesting. Weekly appeal, banana community. What is that shit? 3 coins with potential to be next Shiba in 2022. Okay, so it's like potential Dodge coins. Alright, with 2022 starting out with a rough patch for most cryptocurrencies, crypto bears have been on the prowl to discover the next big entry point, but can't really decide on which coin to go for. It's a funny picture. So therefore, in this list we're going to discuss 3 coins with the highest potentials to reach Shiba levels, or maybe even beyond in 2022, sorry. So AXS, Metaverse could prompt high gains. After the launch of the Metaverse and still being in the beta, it's very likely that any cryptocurrencies associated with this particle project could see some serious gains in the future. Naturally, the coin that's likely to benefit the most of this is Ethereum, but not as much as Axie Infinities, AXEs. The thing is that Ethereum is 10 times is like a world-changing phenomenon, which is unlikely to happen in 2022. However, AXS is 10 times is realistic considering its current trading volume and price. Even if it may falter in long-term gains, current charts show a pretty good setup for a short-term consolidations, considering the last week's volatility. So this is like the chart, but you can't click on it, so can't really see anything on it. Okay, so SAPE and SPEP, a new take on community cryptos. Although its 2 coins, SAPE and SPEP, are part of the same project, so it's likely that when one of them grows, the other will follow suit just a bit more behind. And again, like, well, this guy didn't can't click on the picture, but it's alright. So the SAPE and SPEP project, created by Stadium Finance, revolves around community envelopment and price movements of their chosen crypto. 3 times every day, these tokens fight a virtual battle to determine which one's supply will be burned. The community decides the winner by being as active as possible with transactions. Considering that the project has been live for a little more than 2 months, the current growth is astounding. Add to the recent announcement of the white paper launch, as well as successful audit, and we see a project walking the same journey that took Shiba to the moon. Both coins already have combined market cap of 20 million and a daily trading volume currency its recovery phase. Both SAFE and SPEP have a huge potential both in the short and the long terms. There's also Cake, the Times Square of crypto. Cake is a part of the Pancake Swap exchange. Man, they have so many cryptocurrencies. Cake, then Pancake. Unbelievable. So which is currently the highway that every newly launched cryptocurrency is taking? In one way or another, many people are comparing Cake to BNB, considering how many projects are appearing on its native Pancake Swap exchange. The history of performance is in many ways similar to the BNB as well. Although the coin is going through its many bearish markets, its growth is expected in the short term due to many new projects being added to the Pancake Swap, as well as the potential in the incorporate Cake in all Pancake Swap transactions. So let's see what is this shit. SAPE and SPEP. SAPE coin, okay. Okay, Stadium Ape, that's what it's called. SAPE. It's worth 8 cents. 8 cents. And it's going down. And this one is SPEP. What the fuck is SPEP? Alright. SPEP. SPEP coin. There it is. Oh, this one's worth 13 cents. 13 and a half almost, right? There's a lot of new coins and stuff, but it's just it seems like it's a bunch of crap, honestly. You know what I mean? Okay, I'll be right back, like 2 minutes, guys. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be right back. And we'll go on. I want to read about some play to earn. Yeah, we'll find an article of play to earn and we'll read one of those. We'll check it out right here, maybe. Play to earn. Okay. Yeah, see, there's a lot of things. What is a blockchain game? We could talk about the blockchain, how frequently our old information updated, all that stuff. So we'll check that out, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let's go on with this. Let's see what we have. Alright. Farm, okay, what is this? Oh, there's like a farm coin, you see? One farm coin is $128. What is this? Official site. Harvest farm. Okay, what is it? Whoa. iFarm. What is this? $18 million. What the frick is that? That's crazy, man. Connect your wallet. What wallet is it? Ethereum, Wallet Connect, Binance Change. Yeah, okay, these are the top ones. Uniswap and all this stuff is here, right? Okay. Okay. Popular. Okay, so. Alright, so let's read about some this new shit about Bitcoin I heard. Bitcoin. There you go. Okay. 42,000 as of for today. $42,000. Okay, let's see some new articles. What they have. Latest post. Is this security Bitcoin and the Howey test? Born to defy. What has the price of crypto dropped since Christmas? Okay, let's see this first one. Okay. Do you want a chance to win $25 in Bitcoin? Page trading say, well, entry is easy, so don't miss out your chance to win. Full rules here. Okay, that is some like, whatever. Okay, so let's go. A lot has been said in the recent years about regulation within the cryptocurrency space. Many participants, in particular institutional investors, welcome the idea of clarity from government bodies regarding the treatment of digital assets for tax and investment purposes. However, many of the original adherents to the space, cyberpunks and libertarians, believe in their own self-sovereignty and have a little interest in welcoming governments or their regulators into the industry. Regardless of your own feelings on the topic, it is all but assured at this point that governments will attempt to regulate Bitcoin into crypto as much as they can. Perhaps the most pertinent regulatory question currently, at least in countries with developed investments markets, is whether regulators will define specific cryptocurrencies and other digital assets as securities in those countries, and asset status as security opens it up to an extensive amount of scrutiny and supervision, which can have significant impacts. If you don't believe me, I think back to what happened to the cryptocurrency XRP when Ripple, the company that created it, was sued by United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) for allegedly selling it as an unregistered security. Founders and users in the United States have what regulators believe is a helpful tool in determining whether a digital asset should be classified as a security, the Howey test. The reality is that performing a Howey analysis is rather nuanced, and most of us likely aren't lawyers. That said, there are several criteria that are commonly reviewed in determining the status of any asset or investment. So, is there an investment of money? Is it a common enterprise? Is there an expectation of profit? Is it said profit derived from the efforts of others? The best way to familiarize oneself with a Howey test in the context of cryptocurrencies is to perform our own analysis, and we'll attempt to do so here. Bitcoin and the Howey test. Many within the Bitcoin community believe wholeheartedly that Bitcoin is not a security. That opinion may even be shared by the SEC. After all, the previous chairman of the organization, Jay Clayton, said as much a few years ago. Cryptocurrencies, these are replacements for sovereign currencies. Replace the dollar, the euro, the yen with Bitcoin. That type of currency is not a security. That is a welcome news, to be sure. However, we can also prove it ourselves by looking at Bitcoin under the lens of the Howey test. Is there an investment of money? If it sounds like a provision casts an extremely wide net, you're absolutely right. Bitcoin and all other digital assets fail this part of Howey test. If for no reason, then that they are obtained in exchange for fiat goods, services, and even other digital assets, all of which have some level of monetary value. Is it a common enterprise? All digital assets appear to fail this provision as well. To use the SEC's known verbiage, So based on our experiences to date, investments in digital assets have constituted investments in a common enterprise, because the fortunes of digital assets purchases have been linked to each other. In other words, Bitcoin likely qualifies as a common enterprise simply because its success or failure relies on the aggregated efforts and behavior of every holder, miner, company, and other user in the world. Is there an expectation of profit? This can be a difficult provision to decipher, since the majority of participants in the cryptocurrency space, including Bitcoin users, hope that the price of the cryptocurrency of choice will increase. However, the SEC again provides what could be a key determinant for this portion of the Howey test, at least as it applies to Bitcoin. Price appreciation resulting solely from external market forces, such as general inflationary trends or the economy, impacting the supply and demand for an underlying asset, generally is not considered profit under the Howey test. In other words, Bitcoin's price appreciation, as people come to realize its stellar qualities are as a store of value, does not by default count as profit. Is said profit derived from the efforts of others? As we just learned, Bitcoin's price appreciation doesn't typically fall into the category of profit. But on top of that, Bitcoin doesn't produce any earnings or dividends in and of itself, like those produced by companies or by proof of stake cryptocurrencies. The mere act of holding Bitcoin doesn't entitle anyone to earn additional Bitcoin on the layer 1 blockchain. Regardless, we can still look at the Bitcoin in the context of this question. The SEC typically defines others as active participants who provide essential managerial efforts that affect the success of the enterprise. Given the Bitcoin blockchain's high level of decentralization, it is all but possible to find anyone managing the network under any sense of word. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, disappeared years ago and hasn't been heard from since. Developers work to upgrade the network, but any participant is free to ignore those upgrades and run an old copy of the blockchain software. Even miners and node operators, those efforts are required to operate the blockchain, wouldn't really fit the bill, since any user at all can become a miner and a node operator at any time. Nothing to see here. It seems relatively safe to say that based on the SEC's own guidance and statements from a prior head of the agency, Bitcoin will not be classified as a security in the United States anytime soon, if ever. While the reality is sure to bring comfort to its many supporters, the fact remains that politicians the world over are working to bring Bitcoin within the regulatory frameworks. Whether that will be positive or negative for the space overall remains to be seen. Where was I? Okay. So basically, the guy that invented the Bitcoin, this dude, where is he? What was his name? Yeah, there it is. The creator of the Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, he disappeared, and he haven't been heard from since. So the guy is gone, and he created the Bitcoin. Who is this guy? Let's see. Satoshi Nakamoto. There it is. Yeah, you can't. You don't even see his face. There's no. You don't even hear who. This is. You can't even see a picture. He just has a. Just a programmer, and that's it. A dev, and that's it. Yeah, he was using Thor to get into the internet. Okay. Alright, so this guy disappeared, minus, and those efforts are required to operate the blockchain. Wouldn't really be fitted since all users can become a miner and no number. Nothing to see here. There seems well the CEOs of the guidance and statements from a prior head of agency. Bitcoin will not be classified as a security in the United States anytime soon, if ever. Well, that reality is sure to bring comfort to its many supporters. The fact remains that the politicians the world over are working to bring Bitcoin within their regulatory frameworks. Whether that will be positive or negative for the space overall remains to be seen. So, yeah, this guy, I see this Satoshi Yamamoto guy is that's the guy that invented the Bitcoin. Now he's gone. Nobody knows where this guy is. Is he alive or not? Nobody knows. Alright. So let's go on here. The maker link. News NPR. What else do we have with the Bitcoin shit? Alright, I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. So, shit, okay. Alright, let's look at this, this thing. What is this? Evagachi Defy RPG Wearables Raffle revealed. What is this? Okay, so. A second. Okay, what is this shit? Hi friends, we're kicking off in 2022 with the 6th and largest Evagachi wearables raffle yet. 24 new pieces take inspiration from the upcoming Gachaverse DeFi RPG and imagine a new cast of characters that may one day populate the world. Notably, this is the first wearables series to have their trait modifiers recommended by the Evagachi DAO's own Wearables Task Force, WTF. One look and you will know these thoughtful designs are spearheaded by the pixel maestro himself, Cybot, and tailor-made for faithful stalkers of the GHST token. You're stalking the GHST, right, Anon? Or even better, LPing with GHST. What is this GHST? Let's check it out. Okay, price today, 23 cents. What is this shit, okay? 23 cents. Okay, it's called Ghost. It's a ghost token. Unbelievable. Ghost token. Okay. So you're stuck in the HSBC, or even better, the answer you're still making it. Start taking it the hitting up the Bazaar NFT marketplace to copy your own raffle tickets immediately. Raffle details when the raffle opens up on January 26th at 2 p.m. UTC and the last through January 29. During this period, you'll be able to enter your one-time use raffle tickets on Saturday the 29th at 2 p.m. UTC. The raffle will conclude with an automated drawing powered by Chainlink's random number generator, and all winners will be revealed. Got a busy Saturday planned? No worries, you can collect your winnings anytime after the raffle's conclusion. How to participate? Simply get yourself some raffle tickets. There are two ways. Looseless. Stake Ghost, make friends, convert to raffle tickets, enter the raffle. Visit the Bazaar NFT marketplace, buy raffle tickets, enter the raffle. Okay, pretty easy. So the sets. Evagachi RPG Raffle introduces 7 completely new sets, which each set having 3, 4, or even 5 unique wearables included, for a grand total of 24 new items that range across all rarity levels. Each wearable brings its own trade boosters that also provide a set bonus. When all 3 or 4 items are equipped together, keep your eyes peeled for the release of the set bonuses on the wiki. Now, now without further ado, we are proud to present the Evagachi DeFi RPG wearable collections. So basically these are like NFTs, and you buy the NFTs, enter the raffle, and then either you win the raffle or you lose it. Honestly, sounds like a scam or something. I don't know. What is this? Geisha, Ranger, Barbarian, Archer, red hair. Interesting stuff. Bushido Gachi 3 pieces. Fierce warriors of the legends who inspire terror in their opponents. Okay, so these are like the NFTs that you could buy for the coin, which called Ghost. The Citadel Knight, the Fairy, Geishas, and all this crap. Archers. The rarities, the common, uncommon, godlike. the traits of eye color, eye shape. So it's like an RPG, just but it's not the best. Sorry about that. Okay, so equipping wearables affects two aspects of the Aviagachi's metadata. First, it will affect the personality traits that exist on the above bell curve, and you want to continually be pushing your Aviagachi's natural traits further to the extremes. The second wearable's effect is regarding base rarity scores, BRS. Each Aviagachi has one BRS score that changes dynamically in accordance with its personality traits, equipped wearables, and eye traits. The former two can be changed while the eyes always remain the same. So when you are considering what to win, keep in mind that the BRS boost is tied directly to each wearable's rarity level. In above chart you can see that a common item will boost the score by a +1, while a godlike offers a dramatic +50 boost. What's next? The raffle begins in 2 weeks, which means you have plenty of time to start stocking and earning your raffle tickets. So basically, these dudes want you to buy the ghost token, and so you buy the ghost token, then you buy the raffle tickets, you spend your money, and after you spend your money, you enter this thing. There's their website. Let's check this out. Okay, hold on. This is in Russian for some reason. Why is this in Russian though? Okay, there you go. English. Okay. So, this is like a really interesting website. Digital friends for the crypto generation. Each DeFi powered gachi, a collectible avatar, a true friend. Summon a gachi with a portal, or acquire one on the bazaar. Claim a name for Evagachi. Boost the rarity score by equipping the wearables and earning XP. Grow your gachi kinship score and interacting with often. Accumulate badges and trophies. So this is like this. In the 90s there was like this little toys called Tomogachi, and I guess that's what it is. But now you gotta pay your money. You gotta to buy those ghost tokens. You buy the tokens and you enter this raffle and you play this new gachi thing, whatever it is. So Vicky, what is this about? Okay, so yeah. Hold on. Don't translate it. So yeah, this is the wiki, but anyway, the site is, if anybody is interested in this, I mean, if like maybe you have like some nostalgia or whatever and you want to just, spend a little bit of your money, you can connect your wallet, and it's Wallet Connect, Portis, or Wenly Wallet. There's 3 of them, and play now. That's it. Just play the game and you could probably make some cash out of it. Okay, so they have a community in Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, YouTube. What do they have on YouTube? Let's see. Okay. So this is like some weird. Oh, so you just like play this gacha guy. You play against other players, so you win or you lose. Okay. Well, that's okay then. Let's see what else they have. Yeah, so I'm reading all these articles from publishox.com, and they have like a lot of information about the crypto values, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and all the other stuff. There's a lot of them. Okay, so let's see something else here. So 14th of January, Brazil buys Bitcoin. Whoa, this is interesting. Let's read this one. The crypto curator. So Bitcoin right now is $42,000, 266.76 and 76 cents. 266 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 and 76 c Breaking Rio de Janeiro's mayor to invest 1% of the city's treasury in Bitcoin. So basically, the mayor of Rio decided to invest 1% of the whole city's treasury into Bitcoin. So more, that's crazy. High rotation instrumentals, more wins for the XRP as Ripple gains access to email of Hinman's landmark speech about Ethereum being a non-security. Tesla launches a Dogecoin payment for merge, but there's a catch, no refund, and price jump 17%. Tether freezes 150 million worth of USDT, blacklist 3 addresses. Swiss central bank bids 6 complete test of wholesales of CBDC trial, labeling it operationally possible. India may launch Asia's first crypto exchange traded fund. That's some interesting stuff. Alright, so Bitcoin reaches the completion of its death cross, and Bitcoin dips below 42,000 as new forecasts say breakout. Most probable outcome for BTC price. Analysts accept turbulent Bitcoin price until 46,500 flips to support. Alternative coins, almost 20,000 Ethereum burned in a single day, setting a new all-time high. Chainlink. Dogecoin watch, 8 million Dogecoin was just bought by this Ethereum whale as Tesla starts accepting Doge. Ethereum whale buys 58.9 billion Shiba. What is this Shiba? It's a token, I guess. Yeah, reject the shit. So Ethereum whale buys 58.9 billion Shiba Inu. And the Ethereum whale, with over 3.7 million in assets on its wallet, has made a hefty investment in the meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. Shortly after, a popular business account on the social media claimed Robinhood is set to list SHIB as early as February. According to whale monitoring resource Whale Stats, the Ethereum whale moved to buy 58.9 billion SHIB, then worth around $1.9 million. While the meme-inspired cryptocurrency's price were surging after rumors of the Robinhood listing started circulating. So these dudes just bought 59 billion of the Shiba for 1,900,000 basically. The whale's biggest position is notably in SHIB, followed by the popular USDC stablecoin and Ethereum's Ether. Its next largest position is in Crypto.com, which is CRO, of which it owns 3,580,000, followed by the Sandbox, of which it owns 96,000 on the Binance Smart Chain. The whale holds tokenized versions of the BTC and in the ETH. As Crypto Globe reported, SHIB's price surged earlier after Zero Hedge tweeted out the meme-inspired cryptocurrency may soon be listed on the commission-free trading platform Robinhood. That's Nasdaq Hood. Shiba Inu Robinhood listing set to come as early in February. So while some users reacted with excitement, others preferred to wait for an official announcement from the company, as Crypto Globe has been reporting to the Shiba Inu community, has created a petition titled "Kindly to request of Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin" that has gathered over 555,000 signatures. The rise of Shiba Inu coin in Indian rupee market associated by launch. Okay, so let's see this shit. What is this? Okay.
Welcome to First Mover, your first global look at today's action in the Bitcoin, blockchain, and digital asset space. I'm your host, Christine Lee. And joining me is my co-host, Coindesk Managing Editor of Global Capital Markets, Lawrence Lewitton. Emily Parker is out today. So, good morning, Lawrence.
Fortunately. Good morning. I feel like it's empty, you know, without Emily. You know.
I know.
They're
And
going.
Welcome to the Daily Forecast, December 1st, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, editor-in-chief.
Alright, whatever. So in the mid-October, the petition had around 240,000 signatures. It mentioned that the Robinhood has listed Dogecoin and the rival meme-inspired cryptocurrency that was a huge success for the trading platform. As Crypto Globe reported, Robinhood listing Dogecoin was very positive for the firm as its revenue increased because of the Doge trading frenzy seen this year. Notably, data has shown the whale transactions have helped fuel Shiba Inu's price rise this year. According to the cryptocurrency analytics firm Sentiment, SHIB transactions exceeding 100,000 have generally surged ahead of the cryptocurrency price rises. Notably, whales may be accumulating even more of the cryptocurrency ahead of these rises. Alright, disclaimer, this view, all this shit, okay. Granado Bryce jumps. By the way, if anybody wants to go and check this out, the videos, you can go to, like I said before, publishorx.com, and there is, you will see an article called Brazil Buys Bitcoin, and you just click on the link. You can check it out there. So, okay, so let's go. You just click on Shiba and it'll take you to the web page that I was just there right now. So the analyst corner, the psychodynamous crypto analyst known as Sheds tells his 35,700 YouTube subscribers that BTC flashed a false break after briefly plummeting below 40,000 on Monday. These crypto assets have a 10 times potential in the 2022, according to the Altcoin Daily. Here's why Doge, SHIB, and Floki are important for crypto space. David Goshtin believes 70% of U.S. crypto holders started investing in 2021. Acquisitions partnership. Coinbase becomes sponsor as scholar partner of Yield Guild Games YGG. FTX US and Bitstamp USA are working to offer stocks trading services. Acceptance and adoption. University accepts Bitcoin donations to fund crypto-related activities. 55% of the crypto holders in the US and the UK prefer salary payments in cryptocurrencies. So basically, sooner or later, everyone is just gonna get. Maybe you're gonna get your salary in bitcoins or Ethereums. You're not gonna get paid anymore like dollars or pounds or whatever, wherever you live, or rupees. You're just gonna get paid with Bitcoin, or you're gonna get paid with Ethereum, and basically like that. Because if already the universities are accepting Bitcoin, so what's gonna happen next? You know what I'm saying? Basically, if you're gonna have a kid, he's gonna go to a university. You could just simply pay with the Bitcoin or the Ethereum, whatever you got. So follow that money. Fan-controlled football raises 400 million to expand league with bored apes and gutter cats. FTX launches 2 billion venture fund. Hires Lightspeed execs to lead. So the crypto asset software firm Luca hits unicorn status after 110 million Series E. Exchanges Crypto.com lists new Ethereum-based decentralized exchange token, which is IDEX. Jack Dorsey is blocked to list on Australia's ASX in first major crypto listing in exchange history. Mining. Bitcoin hash rates jumps to ETH as Jack Dorsey confirms block mining. So that's pretty cool. I mean, you know what I mean. Every day you find out something new, because I didn't know that you could pay your college or your university with bitcoins, but now you can, I guess. So what else do we have interesting here? Started bashing Bitcoin. Westerners should see how it improves life in developing countries. The club of treasury out of financing. Okay, let's see this. Okay. So, every organization in every field thrives to be financially independent and aims to auto-finance their activity. Back in January 2021, when Club 1BCH was created, we had no idea how our small social experiment will churn up. Things suddenly took off, and we started a movement based on positivity and quality. So Club 1BC Q1 21 Genesis and events presents the journey between January and March 2021 and how a comment made this happen. At the end of November, we received a kind donation from Jessica Martinez, a person who has been a part of the cryptoverse since 2011. She kindly shared 1BCH for the club's December events, and this motivated us to pay it forward because sharing is caring. So Jessica Martinez has been in this cryptocurrency verse since 2011, so this woman is probably like, rich. Who is she, by the way? She has no picture for some reason. Yeah, she doesn't have a picture. Well, whatever. Okay, so 1 Bitcoin Cash was available, and there were about 3 weeks to go before sharing prizes and tips with the BCH community. I don't like the lazy money, so the only option was to make that BCH work. What will be the next new thing? I would say punks, and the most affordable punks were the Law Punks by Block NG. The floor price was 12 BCH at the time, and I wasn't ready to spend 0.6 out of 1 Bitcoin Cash on NFTs. I looked for an alternative option, and after a tough negotiation with Mr. Trends, I got a sweet deal. Got 5 La Punks for a full stocking team. 4 of them was 1.2 BCH, and an extra one offered for free. It was such a good deal that I was paid into installments of the 0.35 BCH on the day and 0.13 BCH weeks later. So what is BCH? BCH coin. Bitcoin Cash. See, there's Bitcoin Cash. That's $385. So she donated $385. Basically, that's it. $385. No, that's nice. That's nice of her. Bitcoin Cash price. Well, that's nice. Okay, so what is one? Yeah, see, it's $386, so it's 1 BCH. Okay. Alright, so the next step was and I was surprised to see that I spent over above average humans, filled the 5 spots for proof of punk, and enjoyed the fun. The female with sunglasses and mohawk had 13 hash rate, the highest from the team. Okay, so this guy can see a female here. Where's a female in this picture? Which one is the fucking female here? I don't understand. It's unbelievable. Alright. So the hash rate obtained was 48.178 and will generate some profit even at 0.462 law block reward. At the time of writing, the law token reached a new ACH at 0.69. The December farming reward was 102 law, approximately $70. at the average price over the last days. So dungeon jackpot, total hash. Keeping on evolving as the project and the NFT floor price grows at the same pace as the token value. The latest floor price for the common humans is at 0.499 BCH, which raised the value of initial investments 5 times. With the floor price for law punks got crazy, the Club 1 BCH assets are now valued at 2.45 Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so the second idea was to take advantage of the Tango swap high APR for LPs and power farm some Tango. The BCH Tango and the X Tango. Tango had the highest ARP from the list, making this the perfect options. Paired 0.2 WBCH with the 557 Tango to create the first LP, and use the remaining BCH to create a Tango X Tango pairing. So that's so Smart BCH has low fees and fast transactions, making it easy to play with the DeFi products. On the day of stocking, the APR for the 2 LPS was 2,071% and 2,192%. The WBCH Tango pool shared 50 times more Tango than the other pool. Okay. The strategy was to constantly add the framed Tango into the Tango X Tango pool and keep boosting the earnings. The deposit in this pool was 300 Tango, summing up at $60 due to the 0.2 price per token. The price I bought Tango was higher than today, and this investment lost 50% of the value, but you know what they say, you don't gain or lose until you sell. So using the BCHCC bridge to send BCH to the Smart BCH chain had a little advantage. The Cats airdrop, 2 Cash Cats checks were waiting to be claimed, summing up to 71.71 tokens. When I said a little advantage, I meant a little advantage, as their value is 0.25 USD. So this is active cats, whatever the frick that is. Okay. The Tango farming went well, even with the big dip in the value, as the APR dip in the power in the earnings were lower and lower. 3 weeks later, and no price surge, so I had to accept the semi-failure and pull out the WBCH Tango LP to sponsor the winter events. And the 0.076 BCH plus the 452 Tango coming out. This investment dropped from $150 to $72 in just 3 weeks. So 3 weeks, I mean, from 150 to, so it's in 3 weeks he lost more than half. Yeah, I was just being over dramatic with the failure of the LP, because in fact it generated enough Tango to cover most of the losses on the balance sheet. The initial investment was 210, and the value of those tokens after the market crash and the impairment losses was only $97. However, I'm not afraid of the deep. I'm a deep veteran. To summarize the birth of the Club 1 BCH, 1 BCH treasury, the 1 Bitcoin Cash was used to buy 5 law punks and to farm Tango. Part of the farmed law was sold, and with part of farmed Tango was used to pay remaining 0.13 BCH from the purchase of the NFTs. The remaining Tango and law were used to sponsor the Club December events. The total BCH used from the treasury and shared throughout December was 0.55 BCH for all the events. The initial gift was spent wisely, and now assets are slowly peeling up for the future events. Have a look at the great things we achieved and how we spread festive vibes throughout the Bitcoin Cash community. So these guys, basically what they did, one second. Okay. These guys are like some sort of a community. It's a club 1 BCH Treasury. And what these dudes did is they were supposed to have the December events, like New Year's events and all that stuff, right? Christmas events for their community. And this Jessica Martinez, she invested into their club 1 BCH, and 1 BCH, as we saw before, is about $360 something. And what this guy did with that money is bought this La Punks NFT coin. So La Punk's comic price today. So this thing is $1. So one Punk's comics is $1, and you'll get like a drawing. It's an NFT. All right, and basically, one sec. All right. Yeah. So basically, you're gonna get $1. This Punk thing it costs $1, like we see right here, $1.07. So what this dude did is he invested the cash, Bitcoin Cash. Where is it? There it is. Okay. And yeah, so he invented 362. So this dude invested 362 BCH, and he got 131,218 of the NFT punks, and then eventually, within 3 weeks, he said that it dropped. Oh, my bad. He invented $450. So in 3 weeks, that shit dropped to 72, which is 26,000 of those punks, and he had 54,000 of them. So basically, I don't know. I mean, is it worth buying them or not? I'm not sure. But I mean, it could be worth it because I mean it's something new, I guess, and something new. Sometimes it grows, sometimes it falls. So you never know how it's gonna go. So yeah. Okay. So let's get. Well, this is how they look, the punks or whatever. And it's basically like just an image that you buy, and that's it. It costs $1.07. Okay, let's get some else. Sorry about that. Okay. Binance Farm. Popular in the last 30 days. Let's see. Okay. So we already read this one, the Avigachi thing. Best mobile applications. Oh, let's see this. The mobile applications to earn their crypto. So, it is no secret that we are purveyors of earning passive income. While some may require you to sit in front of your desktop or laptop, I'll make it more like this. In front of desktop or laptop to get things done. There are other more convenient ways to earn crypto via mobile apps. These provide a more fuss-free method of earning, especially when we are always on the go and do not have the luxury of time to sit in front of our desktops or laptops. And plus, we can all agree that the modern day investor is constantly strapped for time, which makes earning through mobile apps a prime choice. Lately, there has been a slew of mobile applications that allow users to earn crypto, whether it is to play to earn, crypto games, staking, or lending. Either way, these mobile apps are the great way to earn passive income on the go. And since these apps can be easily downloaded on your mobile phone, you can literally earn anytime from anywhere at your own convenience. Ahead, we pick out some of the best mobile apps to consider when you wish to earn crypto passively. So, crypto lending apps. This is when you basically lend something like for rent, for example. Based on the Singapore Hodl is an interesting earning platform that allows users to earn up to 12.73% APY on 6 supported crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, DAI, and WBTC. The interest is compounded and users will start earning immediately once funds are deposited. Hodl is available on both the iOS and the Android app stores, so users can earn anytime at their own convenience. The platform also takes a security-first approach and has made it mandatory for all users to enable 2FA before depositing. Furthermore, users have the option to withdraw the whitelist addresses only. The best part, it also provides an option of Nexus Mutual custody cover to give users an additional option to safeguard their assets. So, basically, it's an app on your mobile phone. You open the phone, and you can buy your cryptocurrency on the go with no problem. Here's another one, Celsius Network, available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Celsius Network is a crypto platform that provides a range of financial services that aren't typically as accessible via traditional financial institutions. As such, the firm aims to disrupt the traditional financial system by offering services that introduce financial freedom through crypto. For example, crypto investors can earn interest of up to 17% APY on over 40 supported currencies by depositing their digital assets to their Celsius wallet. Users can also borrow fiat currency using their crypto as collateral at lower interest rates. Bonus: the platform is reportedly working on a credit card that allows users to earn and receive weekly rewards on crypto collateral. Play to earn crypto game apps. This is a good one. So it's Merge is a play to earn crypto game that enables users to purchase cats using an in-game tokens known as a soul. So it's ETH20. To earn more, users can merge can merge the cats together to create improved versions of the cats to receive more tokens and rewards. In the game tokens, users can also stand a chance to get a daily spins and unlock new achievements and areas within the game. So let's check out these games, guys. Merge cats. Start with that one. Okay. Let's open it. Let's try it again. Okay, there it is. So this is one token. This is the crypto soul thing that we were talking about, right? I'll put it in English. Okay. Yeah. This freaking thing, man. All right. So, this one token is called LIS. It costs 13 cents, 13.5 cents. But as they say here, you can get one for free, and you can start out this game, right? So it has a white paper. You can check it out on their website. It's called cryptosoul.io, and you can merge cats. They have 3 games. They have 2 games apparently right now ready on Google Play. and one game is coming out. It's called Royal Crypto. So these dudes are working on their shit, you know what I mean? And here's some dudes that are, making payments. This guy sent 10, 120, 8,000, 8,000. So yeah, people seem to be doing something in this game. There's memberships and all that stuff. So let's go on. Crypto Idle Miner. Crypto Idle Miner is an online game where users are able to run their own crypto mining empire to earn in-game tokens known as the Hora. Users have the option to earn more rewards when they are upgrading their mining rigs to compete on the leaderboards. Plus, there are even promo codes where users are able to obtain more free tokens for the end game. So let's check this one out, guys. See, it just sends you to the Google Play. Bam, you're there, and you just start mining online from your mobile phone. See this shit? You just start mining, and that's it. So build, manage the HODL, create your own crypto empire, and become the ultimate Bitcoin tycoon. So features idle game, management, upgrade and level up, educational tycoon, idle, level up, and you could become the ultimate tycoon. And basically, yeah, sorry about that. You'll be able to mine bitcoins and any other cryptocurrency from this game. Okay, so the crypto staking app, Exodus. If you're staking into Exodus, is a platform that you may already heard of. The decentralized wallet allows investors to stake 7 coins and earn rewards up to 9%. These include the ALGO, Cosmos, Neo, VET, ADA, and XTZ, and ONTs. Exodus is also known to be very beginner friendly, with comprehensive cross-chain support. Moreover, it's free to use and allows investors to control their own private keys. So let's see this thing. Okay. Exodus, Bitcoin, and crypto wallet. So this is how it looks like. A new world of crypto apps. Shit, sorry about that. Okay. So what we have here? They have 150 plus cryptocurrency assets. They have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have Tether, they have Litecoin, they have everything. So basically you could just get on this Exodus thing and start buying, investing, or doing whatever you want. You could do it from your desktop, you could do it from your mobile. There's a video, let's see this video.
Hello and welcome to the new Exodus application platform. Exodus is simplifying how we interact with crypto applications so that we can all reap the rewards of decentralized finance and crypto apps without having to be blockchain geeks. No more having to download separate apps. No more visiting websites that require multiple steps just to send crypto from point A to point B. No more long user manuals or boring video tutorials. If you're still using the old Exodus layout, hop on over to settings. You'll notice a new tab labeled apps. Get in there and flip the toggle on to unlock a new world of crypto applications. Otherwise, just click the plus sign up top to quickly add new apps. Now, there aren't many apps yet, but this is just the beginning. New apps are already being tested and redesigned to build upon the Exodus experience. Let's install these apps and take a quick peek. I'm going to click the Exodus logo in the top left-hand corner, which acts as a home button. Here we see the portfolio of our moon landing holdings. Notice the app icons at the top of the window. The first one being the portfolio, which gives you an overview of your holdings and their value, along with asset prices and other real-time market details. The second app is the wallet. This is where you can manage your crypto and do things like find your unique address, send crypto to a friend, and stake popular assets like Tezos and Cosmos so you can earn rewards and interest on your crypto holdings. The third app is the Exchange app. Exodus was built around the ability to instantly and easily exchange one asset for another with no account sign up and directly from your wallet, which means you are always in control of your assets and private keys. Next is Compound Finance, where you can earn a high interest rate on your crypto savings. Deposit DAI with no limits and withdraw anytime. Again, with Exodus, your funds are always under your control. Here we have Sportx, the ultimate sports and esports betting app, where you can place instant bets on sports such as football, golf, UFC fights, and even esports like League of Legends. This happens directly from your wallet without having to sign up for an account or give up any personal information. Moving to the right, we see options to view your transaction history, the support section, which has help videos and ways to contact Exodus 24/7 support, settings where you can sync your mobile wallet or set up a Trezor hardware wallet, and the app browser. Give the new Exodus a spin, check out the new apps, and let us know in the comments what other apps you'd like to see in your wallet. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.
Alright boys, so basically what this dude is saying, so this Exodus thing, it's just a wallet. Well, where you put your money. So you put your cryptocurrency in this wallet, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the shit that you have, all the assets. And then from there on you can exchange them. You could even bet on games, on like sport games, on UFC or whatever. So this is a pretty cool wallet, I guess, you know. But you still gotta be careful because, you know, who knows? Maybe one day they're just gonna close, shut down, and that's it. You're gonna lose all your money. Maybe it's a big scam, but you just have to be careful all the time. You know what I mean? All right. So the Coinbase. Coinbase needs no introduction. It is one of the biggest crypto exchanges globally and offers a host of features for its users, one of which is staking. And if you're already an existing Coinbase user, you will save the time and hassle of creating another account to stake your tokens. The platform enables users to stake popular cryptocurrencies such as ALGO and XTZ and Cosmos, which is ATLOM. Even though the rewards aren't as high as they are on other exchanges, Coinbase is known to be an ideal option for those who are new to crypto staking, thanks to its beginner-friendly and easy-to-use web interface. So let's see this. Okay. All right. So let me just change the language here. Where the fuck is it? Okay. For Pete's sake. Like that. Let's see. Yeah, okay, there we go. Alright, so this Coinbase, jumpstart your crypto portfolio, get started. So basically, this is also a wallet, but this one seems to be like really legit. And you could spend your crypto, you could borrow from people, you could private client, you could learn to earn, you could buy and sell it. So you can do anything here. You just create an account and go at it, you know what I mean? You could buy the fucking Bitcoin, you could buy your Ethereum, and so on and so on. I'm even gonna save this website just in case maybe I'll want to invest into Bitcoin someday, maybe. Right, so on. So the final thoughts. With a wide selection of mobile apps to choose from that target different niches, many of us are spoiled for choice. But if you're one who prefers earning passively without having to actively manage your account, depositing your crypto assets into platforms like HODLNOT is an easy way to earn. Plus, HODLNOT offers up to 12.73% APY, so you know you'll be maximizing the productivity of your investments. Okay. Well, there's some comments to this stuff. So, invite only, there's some dude is writing. Well, anyway, we're not gonna read this shit about the comments. We don't need that crap. Whatever. El Salvador actually runs Algorand, not Bitcoin. Well, whatever. What about this? What was this? Not now. Not now. The Planetary cryptos. Okay, let's check this shit out. It's not a secret that a blockchain technology has brought us into a new era of digital finance. A lot more people are becoming more open to the idea of digital currencies. This is something that the creators of cryptocurrencies would never have expected to happen. At the moment, the crypto industry is steadily rising to the unprecedented levels. Although the global COVID-19 pandemic may have brought certain industries to a halt, the crypto industry shined throughout the pandemic. Currently, there are over 11,000 digital currencies projects in the market. The cryptocurrency market cap is now at over $2 trillion, and analysts expect it to continue at an upward trend. Therefore, it's important that you understand that the economic models of some cryptocurrencies have helped fuel their growth. These cryptos are known as the Planetary cryptocurrencies. So, what are the Planetary cryptocurrencies, and how are they achieving growth? Stick around to find out. So let's go. The Planetary cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency designed to reduce supply over time. In simpler terms, the cryptocurrency in the question has a depreciating supply of coins. This means that the number of coins in circulation dwindles, therefore ultimately boosting the value of each coin. As demand for the coin increases, so will the value. Apart from the improving the value of the token, and the Planetary token is designed in this matter to also prevent the market from being flooded with the token. Sorry about that. There are a lot of ways that the Planetary tokens achieve their goals. However, the two main methods with what the Planetary tokens get rid of coins include the buyback and burn. In this method, the company managing the cryptocurrency project buys back the crypto from the market and sends these tokens to a dead wallet address. By doing so, they reduce the overall supply of coins into the market. Therefore, if the demands remains the same and the overall value of the coin increases. Burn on transaction. This method involves the use of smart contract embedded into the coin's code. The smart contract specifies that on-chain transactions attract the tax of which a part is collected and burned. The burn happens automatically too. Therefore, the higher the trading the volume, the more coins are removed from the circulation. There's also a video about it on our website. So guys, if you want to check it out, you can go on their website so that you can see it right here. Swapzone.io. Key features on the Planetary cryptos. Above anything, the Planetary crypto wishes to solve issues that have ever since plagued traditional finance. Therefore, in a way, they have a positive impact on the cryptocurrency sector. Some of the key features of the Planetary crypto include profit maximization. According to the law of supply and demand, the decrease in supply leads to an increase in demand. The Planetary tokens focus on reducing their supply in the market. This act increases their scarcity, which in turn drives up their demand. The increase in demand ultimately drives up the coin's value, limited or fixed supply. The deflationary mechanism helps remove tokens from the circulation instead of flooding the market with them. Furthermore, if coins were issued incorrectly or anything, the only way to rectify that mistake would be to burn the excess tokens and only remain with the number of tokens required. The deflationary cryptocurrencies list. Below is a list of the most popular deflationary cryptocurrencies in the market today. They include SafeMoon. SafeMoon is a perfect example of a deflationary crypto created to solve the farming rewards problem. Early stakers earn the highest APYs, while newcomers barely earn as much. SafeMoon solved this problem through the burn on transaction model. Every SafeMoon transaction attracts a 10% tax charge, of which 2.5% is sold by the smart contract into the BNB, otherwise known as burning. So what is the SafeMoon? Okay, yeah, okay, sure. Oh, so it's a SafeMoon wallet, okay? Basically, so you download this shit, the wallet, and you buy this token, as I understand. How much does this cost? SafeMoon token. SafeMoon price today. What the frick? Yeah, so SafeMoon only costs, as I understand, 21 cents or something. 0.2, that's 21 cents. As far as I know. Yeah. Check it out, SafeMoon token. USD. Well, yeah. Yeah, basically, guys, it's 23 cents. This one SafeMoon token thing. 23 cents. Alright. It's not that expensive. Not too much, I guess. Okay, so BitGert is a hyper-deflationary token that burned 549 trillion Bryce tokens worth of $1 million within the first 22 days after launch. The project utilizes the buyback and the burn deflationary model to reduce the overall supply and circulation. Every transaction on the network invites a 4% tax charge, which is redistributed as a BNB reward to Bryce holders. The Hodge. Hodge is a deflationary token based across 5 different blockchains that has a 2% tax on every transaction. Of this 2% tax, a portion of it is transferred back to Hodge holders in the form of rewards, and the rest is burned. Unlike Bitcoin, Hodge cannot be mined or created. The current circulation of Hodge is all there is and decreases with every transaction. Therefore, the more transaction volume, the more rewards, and the faster the burns. Oh, it's a bulldog. It's funny. Oh shit. Alright, hold on. Okay, the FEG, otherwise known as the Feed Every Gorilla, is a hyper-deflationary token that operates on both of the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain network. The token has a current supply of 42 quadrillion tokens. Although the supply is high, there is a continuous burn of tokens on both Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain networks. Every transaction triggers a 1% burn rate. Simultaneously, FEC holders are rewarded with 1% on every transaction. Kishu is an Ethereum-based dog meme cryptocurrency. The maximum supply of Kishu tokens are at 100 quadrillions, with a circulation of supply of 100 billion. It is also fully decentralized and owned by its community. For every transaction, 2% of the transactions distributed to the existing Kishu holders. Therefore, their holding increases in value over time. Get deflatorary crypto on Swap Zone. Getting a deflatorary crypto on Swap Zone is pretty simple. Below is a step-by-step procedure on how to get your hands on any of the above deflatorary cryptocurrencies. So you visit Swap Zone and select any crypto from our list of deflatorary tokens. Ensure you know the exact amount of tokens you want to buy. Swap Zone will pull up on all the best exchange offers for you. Input the number of the deflatorary token of your choice. Select the cryptocurrency exchange that suits you by clicking on the exchange button, and so on and so on. So let's check it out. What is the Swap Zone? Okay, so Swap Zone. So you see this, they have a bunch of these deflatorary tokens. Let's Exchange, Selfix, and all that stuff. Exolix. So exchange, for example, what is gonna happen? Okay, well, you gotta register and all that shit. You gotta get your wallet in and everything else, right? So anyway, but if you guys want to, it's just swapzone.io. Swapzone.io, guys, if you're interested. So the FAQ about the deflatorary crypto is Bitcoin deflatorary? The answer is both yes and no, depending on the definition of deflatorary. Deflatorary crypto you're working with, and deflatorary crypto requires that the coin's supply decreases. Bitcoin doesn't meet the criterion of deflatorary crypto in a real sense. Bitcoin mining adds 6.25 BTC to overall supply after every single block. However, at the same time, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, with more than 18 million of them in circulation at the moment. By the year of 2140, the last block of Bitcoin will be mined, after which miners will not be able to mine any new coins. No one generally knows what will happen after the last Bitcoin has been mined. Is Ethereum deflatorary? At the moment, Ethereum is not deflatorary. However, the market and analysts are convinced that this is something that will happen soon. The London hard fork of Upgrade introduced a new base fee update that the network would burn after every transaction. However, Ethereum would only be deflatorary if the amount of burnt Ethereum exceeded the 2 Ethereum block reward. That means that more Ethereum would have been burned than rewarded. So basically, what the fuck, dude? This guy is saying that the Bitcoin is okay. So basically, there's only 2,070,918 bitcoins are left to be mined. but even though there's 900 bitcoins per day made, so how is it gonna end? It's not gonna end. If there's 900 bitcoins a day, how is it supposed to end? Well, anyway. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, inflammatory versus deflatorary crypto. As we can see from the above sections, Bitcoin is a deflatorary and Ethereum is inflammatory. With that said, here are a few more differences between deflatorary and inflammatory crypto. The purpose of deflatorary crypto is to limit supply and increase the overall value of a coin. The purpose of inflammatory crypto is to sustain value and encourage network participation. Deflatorary crypto works by decreasing the overall supply of the coin over time. Inflammatory cryptocurrencies increase the supply over time. It usually has a fixed over limited supply of coins. Inflationary cryptocurrencies have an infinite supply of coins. New units cannot be made at any time. New units of crypto can be made at any time. Fixed or limited supply of new coins causes the overall value to increase increase with time. The more coin units in supply, the more likely they will be worthless. Is deflationary or crypto safer than inflationary? Trying to determine which model between the two is safe is difficult, as both models have their advantages and disadvantages. At the moment, deflationary crypto may seem safer since its value is expected to rise as the supply rate decreases, eventually comes to a stop. So yeah, this is a pretty interesting article, guys. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Alright, boys, I'm gonna be wrapping it up soon. Maybe about like 10 more minutes and I'm gonna be out. So let's read one more article. I have one from Polkadot. Should be pretty good. I was reading it like a few days ago. So the Polkadot coin, it costs $26.95, and this one is like a lot of people are saying that it's really good. And yeah, it's been going up, and it seems to be at a good state. So let's check it out. Polkadot. Yeah. It's a decentralized blockchain. Okay, there you go. See, like I said, it's going up, this Polkadot thing. It's 2736 and it's going up. And it's probably going to be going up, and yeah. So it's one of those coins that I think it's worth buying, but it's just my opinion. Because it's just the way I saw it, because like a lot of people are writing articles about him, and a lot of people are saying that this coin it's working out, and everything seems to be good with it. It's going up. So it's up in 2.5% already, right? Yeah. Which is good, by the way. Okay. Let's see their website. Yeah, so technology, economic, true, folks. So you guys can check out their website. There's a lot of things about them. And technology. So yeah, about it. Polkadot will enable a completely decentralized web when users are in control. And well, anyway, this is it seems to be a good token. So let's see what else we got here. Polkadot, a recap. Okay. Polka Bridge was birthed a year ago, and since then it has continued to change the Polka Bridge ecosystem and the blockchain realm. With only 1 year under its belt, the achievements that it made in 2021 are amazing. Polka Bridge Launchpad. The Launchpad is one of the most innovative projects that Polka Bridge created and released in 2021. It creates a haven for crypto investors to get involved in vetted and promising projects before sorry about that they go mainstream. It also offers projects that have access to funds and the necessary support to improve their platform. To ensure that everyone is treated well, it uses a fair tier system. The Launchpad has been graced by innovative projects since it was launched on April 9, 2021. Investments that were entered into the Launchpad has done at least at 2 times and as much as over 80 times. Listing on KuCoin in 2021, the PBR was launched on different exchanges, and one of them is KuCoin. The market cap of Polka Bridge moved from below $5 million to over $100 million in 1 year. So you understand what I'm saying? Like basically, this token, it's already, from $5 million to $100 million in 1 year. It's 365 days in 1 year. It's already 100 million. You know what I mean? So the Polka Bridge staking. Okay. Polka Bridge released a staking and farm feature on the ecosystem that allows users to stake their tokens, especially Polkadot based tokens, and enjoy the lucrative APY. The number of the PBR token holders have continued to increase. Multi-chain AMM type decentralized exchange launch. On the 11th month of 2021, Polka Bridge launched its multi-chain AMM type decentralized exchange that supported Ethereum and Binance. Before it was launched, it was audited by Certic to certify that if it was safe. It is a crucial decentralized exchange that is free from censorship and possesses the crucial cross-chain features. As time goes on, Polka Bridge intends to release the more innovations into its ecosystem to benefit its users and drive its massive adoption. About Polka Bridge. Polka Bridge is a decentralized ecosystem based on Polkadot that is designed to offer decentralized financial services to its users. It has a lot of services like cross-chain AMM, farming, lending, fundraising, platform, launchpad, prediction, NFT, and much more. For those that want to stake a coin on Polkadot, there is a great chance that the platform may request that their users stake it on Polka Bridge. An example is Polka War telling its users to stake their PWAR tokens on Polka Bridge. Those that want to launch their crypto startups and have access to funds from investors can do that with the launchpad on Polka Bridge. Another feature is prediction platform, where users that predict an event correctly are rewarded. Farming is another crucial feature that rewards users on the platform. Those that have idle funds that want to land it can also earn reward on Polka Bridge. It also creating an initial NFTO offering platform that will cater a fundraising using NFTs. Those that want to exchange a token for another, especially when they are based on Polkadot, can seamlessly do it on Polka Bridge or Polka Bridges. Polka Bridge is building itself as the center of decentralized finance and NFTs on Polkadot and probably the entire blockchain space. So, like I said, dudes, this is like a pretty good coin. It's only 1 year old. It went up like it's in this article from 5 million to 100 million in 1 year. Now it costs $27 like we just saw right now, and it's I think it has a pretty bright future, basically, right? Yeah. So, and what else we have here? Okay, so all right, so we have well, I guess there's not too much. I see more trending. Whew. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, news and PR. Coinzilla blockchain born to defy the Naybox wallet. Okay. Alright. Alright, so let's see this thing. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Well, alright, boys. I'm gonna see you guys next time. I'm gonna end the stream now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and you basically had some fun. I hope I gave you some good information about about the news today. So there's a lot of. By the way, this is a publish OX, like I said before, and you can get some fresh news from this website. Check out some articles and a lot of new stuff. On the next stream, I will try to find some more play to earn articles, and we could talk about that. But we'll see what we're gonna do basically. Stay safe, boys.